chapter name is vouchers. We want to record our business data in a tally means 3 steps we are following. Already we know. In last video also I explained that one. First one is company creation. Second one is ledger creation. Third one voucher creation. So ledger creation already I explained in last class how to create ledgers.
Yes, ma'am.
So vouchers, ma. First of all, what is voucher? Voucher is a document. It's a proof of financial transactions. Like, see, you are going to one shop, you are purchasing a mobile, you are paying a amount, they are giving bill, no, that is called voucher, ma. In a tally, we have 6 regular types of vouchers. We are called accounting vouchers also, that one. Regularly, we are using 6. What is that ones? Purchase voucher, sales voucher, journal voucher, receipt voucher, payment voucher, contra voucher. Daily, regularly, we are using. Daily, what transactions we are doing in your organization? I mean, we are paying amount means we want to prepare a payment voucher. We are receiving some money means we want to create a receipt voucher. We are purchasing goods means we want to prepare purchase voucher. That like daily transactions. What transactions we are doing, depending on that, we want to prepare a voucher. Once we are created vouchers in tally, without our effort, automatically all book of accounts it is preparing, all financial reports it is preparing. We want to select voucher type correctly, ma. First one is purchase voucher, F9. Only credit purchases were entering in purchase voucher, ma. What is meant by credit already we know. Credit means, so like we are not paying any amount. After some time we are paying. We are purchasing a goods. So daily in a transaction, credit sales and credit purchases we are doing. Only credit purchases were entering in purchase voucher. Examples I mentioned here. Purchased goods from Tata Motors for rupees 25,000 and 1/4/2020. Our journal entry is purchase account data to Tata Motors. At the same time, one more example also we have. Purchased goods from HV Technologies, rupees 35,000 by credit, purchased to HV Technologies. So this entries, it is same, party name or it is different, that's all. So suppose purchased goods from Murali by rupees 30,000. Like this, that a customer, that supplier names, it is different. Remaining all transactions, it is same. So I will go to here, tally frame I am opening. How to create this one, I will show you. Already we are created company, ma. Already we are created ledgers also. Now directly I am going to here vouchers, ma. Vouchers. See here, under voucher, in a button bar, it is showing different types of vouchers, ma. Contra voucher, payment voucher, receipt, journal, sales, purchase. These are all regular vouchers. We are called accounting vouchers also. We want to select what voucher do you want to prepare. I am selecting purchase voucher here, ma. Purchase voucher I am selecting. I am selected a purchase voucher now. First of all, we want to learn how to change the date, ma. In a button bar F2, we have no date, you can click it. Now, what date entries you are putting, you can type your date once. This is educational mode we are using actually. All other, in educational mode, dates it is not acceptable. Only first date, second date, month ending dates only it is acceptable. So for example, I am giving now here 1st May 2022. 1st May month I am updating a voucher. Next to a supplier invoice number. Our invoice number do you want to enter? Invoice date, enter. Party name, you are purchasing from whom? Already we are created a ledgers, right side it is showing a ledger. We are purchasing from HV Technologies or Tata Motors. 2 customers we have, you can select it. Receipt details it is asking. We no need to enter any details here, just to save the screen. On the time of ledger creation, 40 details already we are updated. You can just give enter and save the screen. Under particulars, we want to give purchase. Purchase ledger also already we are created, right side it is showing. Amount you want to update. So you are purchasing from how much amount? 10,000. You want to type a narration. Being goods purchased from HV Technologies. HV Technologies. Enter, you can save it. Suppose one more credit purchase I am updating. Suppose, for example, purchasing goods from ABC Limited. ABC Limited ledger I am not created here. So in voucher creation screen only, I want to create a ledger. Means you see here right side, create button it is showing. No, you can click that one. You can type it ABC Limited. It comes under Sunday creditor. Enter, you can save it. So you can save it to this screen. Receipt details, we no need to enter anything. Control A, you can press it. You want to save this screen immediately. Shortcut key is Control A. Party details screen also I want to save, Control A. Under particulars, always purchase. So how much amount you are purchasing from? For example, 5,000 rupees. Narration. In last voucher, what narration I typed, I want to copy that one. You can press Control R. I am removing HV Technologies. You can type it ABC Limited. Remaining and all it's same, no? Being goods purchased from ABC Limited. Enter, you can save it. So that party names it is different. Remaining process and all it is same. So this is how to prepare purchase voucher. What is purchase voucher? Next voucher I am explaining sales voucher F8. What is sales voucher? What we are recording here? Credit sales we are recording. Only credit sales we are entering in sales voucher. Only credit sales we are entering in sales voucher. For example, here I mentioned some examples. Sold goods to Suguna Motors for rupees 35,000 by credit. Suguna Motors account data to sales. Sold goods to Kiran Technologies rupees 55,000 by credit. Kiran Technology account data to sales. Now we can go here. So how to create this one I will show in a Tally frame. How to create sales voucher. In a button bar, now you want to select sales voucher. F8. Sales I am selected. Same procedure. You are selling to whom? Party name you can create it. Kiran Technologies. See right side once we typed any one letter, right side names it is showing. You can select it. We no need to give any dispatch details here. You can press Control A. It is saving. Again Control A. Under particulars sales. Sales. You are selling to how much amount? So narration you can type it. Being goods sold to Kiran Technologies. Being goods sold to Kiran Technologies. Enter, you can save it. So one more, I am selling goods to Suguna Motors also. Otherwise, sold goods to HP Limited. So that HP Limited ledger I am not created. I want to create now. You can press create button here. I am creating HP Limited. So Sunday debtor under group is Sunday debitors. Enter, you can save it. Control A, Control A. Here salesman. So you are selling to how much amount? Enter, you can save it. Again, I am selling goods to Suguna Motors. You can click on to Suguna Motors. Control A, Control A. Here sales. You can select it sales. Sales, so what is the amount? I am selling 70,000 rupees. Enter, you can save it. Like this, all credit sales we are recording here. Okay. Next voucher I am explaining receipt voucher. What is receipt voucher? What we want to record here? To record cash and bank receipts. We are receiving cash or checks to others. That all we want to record under receipt voucher. For example, commission received by cash, commission received by check. Next to HDFC bank check received from Create Technologies. Check received from Suguna Motors. Ramu starts a business with capital amount rupees 3 lakh. Cash account data to capital. Ramu starts a business with capital account. Cash account data to capital. I mean, we are receiving capital into a business. Interest received by cash. Discount received by check. What we are receiving by, I am receiving amount by cash or checks. That all we want to enter under receipt voucher. All our incomes we are updating under receipt voucher. For example, here I mentioned some examples. Ramu starts a business with capital amount rupees 3 lakh. Cash account data to capital. Received cash rupees 20,000 from Suguna Motors. Cash to Suguna Motors. Commission received by cash. Cash to commission received. HDFC bank check received from Create Technologies. Bank to Create Technologies. Commission received by check. HDFC bank to commission. How to record this one? First of all, we want to change a voucher mode. We are in sales voucher now. In a button bar, I am selecting receipt voucher. So receipt means first what we want to select. First we have cash to capital. See, under receipt voucher, first it is showing CR only. For example, what we have now, Ramu starts a business with cash. Cash to capital. Under credit capital, it want to be show. So you can select it capital now. Capital account. Now capital amount, how much you are introducing, you can update it. Enter debit cash. Narration, you can type it. Ramu starts a business with capital. Ramu starts a business with cash rupees 5 lakh. Enter, you can save it. Next one. Next, what we have, commission received by check. Our journal entry is commission received account data to bank. Now already ledger we are created commission received. How much commission you are receiving, you can update it. Commission received by check. Bank name, you want to select it bank name. So enter, save it. Suppose commission received by cash. See, commission received I am selecting. 3,000 rupees I am receiving now. Here you want to update cash. So through which mode you are receiving? You are receiving check means bank name you want to update. Cash means cash. Next one. We sold goods to Create Technologies actually. Now I am receiving cash from Create Technologies. Receiving cash from Create Technologies. I am receiving 30,000 rupees. What you are receiving? Check or cash? Cash I am receiving. Enter, you can save it. Check received from Suguna Motors. Suguna Motors. So 50,000 rupees check I am receiving here. Bank name you can select it. So like this, receipt means what we are receiving, that and all we are recording under receipt. Next to payment voucher. To record cash and bank payments. To record cash and bank payments. All expenses we are paying through cash, we are paying through check, that and all we are recording under payment voucher. What we are paying to others, that all we want to record under payment voucher. For example, here we have paid building advance rupees 20,000 by cash. Building advance to cash. Purchased office furniture for rupees 25,000 by cash. Furniture account data to cash. Purchased office stationery rupees 10,000 by cash. Stationery to cash. Next one. Paid salaries rupees 20,000 by cash. Salaries account data to cash. Paid salaries by check. Salaries account data to bank. HDFC. Paid rupees 25,000 to HV Technologies by check. HV Technologies to bank. Now how to do this one? See, you want to create a vouchers in a tally means first you want to create a ledgers. Already all ledgers we are created. In a voucher screen, first of all, you want to select a payment voucher, F5. I am changing a voucher mode F5. So payment, first of all, building advance paid we have. See, building advance ledger already we are created. It is showing in right side. How much rupees you are paying? 25,000 rupees. Building advance paid by cash. So under credit, what we want to select? Cash. Save it. Salaries paid by check. Salaries paid. How much rupees you are paying? 5,000 rupees salary I am paying by check. Which bank check you are giving? That bank name you want to select it. Salaries paid by check. Next one. So what we have? Commission paid we have. Commission paid by cash. 5,000 rupees commission paid by cash. So like this. Next, we are purchased goods from HV Technologies and Tata Motors. No. Today I am paying cash to that suppliers. For example, check paid to HV Technologies. 20,000 rupees check paying to HV Technologies. Which bank? HDFC Bank. So check paid to HV Technologies. You are paying which bank check, you can select it. So next, for example, rent paid by check. Rent paid, how much rent you are paying per month? Through check. Rent paid by check. This like all expenses. Suppose, for example, wages paid. Wages paid rupees 2,000 rupees by cash. Cash you want to select it. So whatever it may be, expenses you are paying, like advertisement expenses paid, cash paid, check paid, electrical charges paid. This all expenses we are putting under payment only. Next month. Next I am explaining journal voucher. So sorry, contra voucher. Next our voucher name is contra voucher. Contra voucher shortcut key F4. Contra voucher shortcut key F4. To record transactions between cash and bank. To record transactions between cash and bank. For example, cash deposited into HDFC Bank. Cash withdraw from HDFC Bank. Cash transfer from HDFC Bank to ICICI Bank. Contra voucher means to record transactions between cash and bank. In between cash and bank, what transactions it is going on in our company, only that things we are recording under contra voucher. For example, cash deposited into bank, cash withdraw from bank, cash transfer from one bank to other bank. Cash deposited into bank, what is our journal entry? By HDFC Bank to cash. I mean, we are depositing cash in which bank? That name we want to take. HDFC Bank to cash. Cash withdraw from bank. Cash account data to bank. Cash transfer from HDFC Bank to ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank to HDFC Bank. Now, how to create this voucher in Tally frame? See, first of all, voucher mode we want to change. In a button bar, we want to select it. Now, voucher type we want to change first of all. We are in payment voucher. I am selecting contra voucher. Under contra voucher also, in first it is showing CR only, credit only one. This is by default thing, we are not able to change. First of all, cash deposited into bank. So we want to enter that one, cash deposited into bank. So what is our entry? Bank account data to cash. Under credit cash we want to enter. How much cash you are depositing? 2 lakh rupee I am depositing. To which bank you are depositing? You want to select. You are depositing. Suppose I am depositing ICICI Bank. Cash deposited in ICICI Bank. Denominations it is asking how many notes you are deposited. You want to enter. Enter. Cash deposited into bank. Cash deposited into bank. Okay. You are depositing cash into your bank. You want to record entry like this. Date you want to change compulsory. Which date you are depositing? For example, cash withdraw from bank. What is our journal entry? Cash account data to bank. Under credit, what we want to record? Bank name. Cash withdraw from ICICI Bank. How much cash you are withdrawing? 10,000 rupees I am withdrawing. So, cash withdraw from bank like this. This entry is cash withdraw. Cash withdraw from bank. Enter, you can save it. Next to funds transfer from one bank to another bank. What we are transferring now? Cash transfer from HDFC Bank to ICICI Bank. Our journal entry is ICICI Bank to HDFC Bank. Under credit HDFC Bank, how much you are transferring? 5,000 rupees I am transferring. To which bank you are transferring? ICICI. So, cash transfer. Cash transfer from one bank to other bank. One bank to other bank. Enter, you can save it. This is contra voucher. Next one we will see. Next voucher type what we have. Next to journal voucher. So journal voucher. This voucher posting is very important actually. So particularly you want to learn. Journal voucher F7. Adjustment entries we are recording under journal voucher. All adjustment entries we are recording under journal voucher. Adjustments means like outstanding balances, prepaid expenses recording, salary advance entries, tax advance entries, monthly adjustments, yearly adjustments, depreciation on fixed assets entries, fixed assets purchase entries also we want to record under journal voucher. Any adjustments like depending on the work, all adjustments we want to enter under journal voucher. All adjustments like outstanding balances, prepaid expenses, depreciations, all fixed assets purchase entries, that all we want to record under journal voucher. First one what we have here, outstanding salaries. Outstanding salaries 60,000. Our journal entry is salaries to outstanding salaries. Any outstanding amounts do you have means we want to show in journal voucher. Next to depreciation on furniture. All depreciations we are recording under journal voucher. Depreciation account data to furniture. Anything, depreciation on machinery, depreciation on plant, that and all comes under journal voucher. Next one, fixed asset purchase entry. Purchased HP computers from HP Technologies by credit. HP computers account data to HP Technologies. So 25,000 rupees. Fixed assets purchase entries also we want to record under journal voucher. So depending on the work, all adjustment entries it is possible to preparing under journal voucher. So like bad debts, suspense accounts, this and all. Now how to prepare this one? So first of all, we want to change a voucher mode. Journal voucher F7. Journal voucher. First one what we have our example. Salaries, outstanding salaries we have. Salaries account data to outstanding salaries. Already we are created a lecture. So how much we have outstanding salaries? For example, 5,000 I am recording now. So salaries account data to outstanding salaries. Enter, you can save it now. Next what we have? Depreciation on furniture. Depreciation account data. Depreciation, for example, I have 500 depreciation account data. Furniture do you want to select? Depreciation account data to furniture. Next to fixed asset purchase entry. HP computers purchased from HP Technology. HP computers account data. So for where you are purchasing, HP Technologies. Enter, you can save it, ma. So this like all adjustment entries we are recording under journal voucher. Next one, ma. So regular vouchers we are completed, ma. All like so this all 6 vouchers we are completed. Next our vouchers is returns, ma. So we are working in a organization means we are purchased and sold goods no daily. And that time it is possible to returns also, like purchase returns, sales returns also we are having. How to record that one? So debit note and credit note vouchers also we have. This is not regular vouchers, ma. When we are getting returns, and that time only we are preparing this vouchers, ma. First credit note voucher we have. When we are preparing credit note voucher means on the time of sales return. For example, here return goods from Create Technologies. Before that, we are sold goods to Create Technologies. Here under sales voucher, we have no sales voucher. See, sold goods to Create Technologies 55,000 rupees on 10th April. Now returns we have 10th April we are sold. Next on 1st May, we are receiving returns 5,000 rupees. So sales return account data to Create Technologies. On the time of sales return, we want to prepare a credit note voucher. Debit note to record purchase returns. To record purchase returns. Return goods to HP Technologies. On the time of purchase returns, we want to prepare a debit note. All purchase returns we want to enter under debit note. For example, here also, we purchased goods from HP Technologies. Already we prepared purchase voucher also. Now at the same time, we are returning goods to HP Technologies. I mean, we are giving return to HP Technologies. Rupees 7,000. So all purchase returns we are entering under debit note voucher. All sales returns we want to enter under credit note voucher. Now how to record this one? We want to learn. See, I opened a tally screen. In a button bar, it is not showing anything, no ma. I mean, debit note, credit note vouchers, it is not showing, no. So see, it is not showing. But how we want to take that debit note, credit note vouchers, how to activate means, here other vouchers we have F down. In a button bar, other vouchers we have, you can click that one. What do you want now, credit note or debit note? You can select it. See, it is showing here. Debit note I am selecting. So you are preparing debit note on which person against? Debit note voucher means what we are recording? All sales, all purchase returns we are recording. We are getting returns from HP Technologies. Here under particulars, purchase returns, we want to select it. So how much rupees returns we are giving now? 7,000 rupees. Enter, you can save it. So this is purchase returns, debit note voucher. All purchase returns we want to record like this only. Next to sales returns, where we have sales returns, where we want to prepare, you can select it other vouchers. Now we can select it credit note. Credit note means what it is? Sales returns. So we are sold goods to, before that we are sold goods to Create Technologies. Now we are receiving return from Create Technologies, sales return. So now 40 name we can select it. Here sales return we want to select it. So amount is 5,000 rupees worth of rupees. So sales returns like this we want to record. So what is voucher? How many types of vouchers we have? How to create this all vouchers? So after ledger creation only it is possible to creating a vouchers. Next to see how to view this. We are created a ledgers. How to view that all ledgers list means, see in the main gateway of Tally, day book it is showing. No, you can select this day book. See I mean no last date entry it is showing. And which date last entry is we done, that date entries only it is showing. We are prepared voucher on 1st May date. In 1st May, how many vouchers we are prepared? It is showing clearly. No? How many vouchers we are prepared? It is showing clearly. See, 1st May date. So how many vouchers we are prepared? Once we are prepared vouchers, without our effort, automatically it is affecting into every book of account. Like it is affecting in day book. Automatically it is affecting in financial reports and all. Once we can go here, see, we are not prepared any financial reports now, like balance sheet, profit and losses account. We are not prepared. Now I am opening profit and losses account. See, automatically it is showing no. One voucher we are prepared means automatically it is affecting into all book of accounts. Ma. See, we are prepared to profit and losses account. We are received now net profit. Ma. Purchase, how much we have, direct expenses, how much we have, indirect expenses. All it is showing. No? So balance sheet also automatically it is preparing. So voucher selection is important. So you understood voucher class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So, okay, vouchers you understood. So you want to